Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome to the vibrant tapestry of New York City, where every street corner whispers tales of ambition and creativity. Today, we embark on a journey through time to explore the evolution of NYC's architecture, from its humble colonial beginnings to its modern marvels. Buckle up for a captivating adventure. Our story begins in the 17th century, when this bustling metropolis was known as New Amsterdam. The Dutch settlers brought with them a style of architecture that was both functional and protective, with wooden frames and gabled roofs. Fast forward to British control in 1664, and we see the emergence of Georgian architecture, symmetrical and stately, as seen in the historic Fraunces Tavern, where George Washington bid farewell to his troops. The 19th century ignited a remarkable transformation in New York's skyline. As waves of immigrants poured into the city, neighborhoods flourished with brownstones and limestone row houses, becoming symbols of middle-class life. City Hall, completed in 1812, stood as a neoclassical beacon of the city's growing identity, reflecting the vibrancy of its diverse population. Now, let's fast forward to the early 20th century, the age of the skyscraper. The skyline transformed as engineering marvels like the Flatiron Building and the Woolworth Building emerged. The Empire State Building, completed in 1931, soared to 1,454 feet, standing as a symbol of American resilience and innovation during the Great Depression. By the mid-20th century, modernism took hold, leading architects to embrace simplicity and functionality. The Seagram Building exemplifies this shift, while brutalism introduced bold concrete forms that polarized opinions. Whether admired or criticized, structures like the Lincoln Center challenged traditional aesthetics and pushed architectural boundaries. So today, New York is in the midst of an architectural renaissance. The Vessel at Hudson Yards and One World Trade Center symbolize resilience and forward-thinking design. Meanwhile, the High Line reimagines urban spaces, showcasing how sustainability and creativity can transform our environment, breathing new life into the city's historic fabric. From colonial wooden structures to soaring skyscrapers, New York's architectural evolution is a reflection of its dynamic spirit and diverse history. If you enjoyed this journey through time, hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible stories, and share your favorite NYC building in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.